Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the new palette from Morphe. This was released on Thursday of last week. It's already sold out online at Morphe's website, but I'm sure they still have it in stock in store. I do have an affiliate code with Morphe, which you guys know is the code MAKEUP. This code can be used online or in store. And I just wanted to say thank you so much to those that support me through using my code. I really do appreciate it. So the palette is now available at Ulta's website as well. I'll have the direct link in my bio. I'm not sure if it's available in stores yet. So this is the 35G Bronze Goals Eyeshadow Palette. It is limited edition and it retails for $25. I love the packaging of this palette. I've said it before on my videos that I prefer when Morphe releases a palette that is made out of cardboard instead of their standard black plastic packaging. I personally think they feel less bulky, and I'm crossing my fingers that they continue with this cardboard packaging. So the palette has a magnetic closure and it does not include a mirror. Also, the eyeshadows do have names and they are printed on the plastic film that protects the eyeshadows. The palette has a mixture of shimmers and mattes. It has bronzy shades, coppers, browns, and golds. It's a very warm palette that will be perfect for summer glowy looks. Out of the 35 eyeshadows, 11 are mattes and 24 are shimmers. When I did my swatches, I came across 5 shimmers that were less pigmented compared to the other shimmers in the palette and were also on the dry side. I also noticed that these seem to be pressed more, so I'm guessing that's the reason they are less pigmented. For the rest of the shimmers, they were creamy and pigmented. I honestly always find that shimmers transfer best when using your finger, so that's the way I recommend doing it, and also using a wet synthetic brush. For the mattes, they were velvety and very pigmented. They did blend out smoothly without any issues. I did have some kick up due to the eyeshadows being creamy and also very little fallout. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.